Friends, welcome back to my channel agamwrestling.com. Today I will not tell about wrestlers, but I will tell about how to make a WWE logo. First you will need one sheet like this. Then you will need one eraser, one pencil, one scale, one black crayon, one red crayon, one black sketch, and one scratcher to make the logo. First make one W like this. See the first W. Then make one second W like this. Then make one curved line in the down of the logo with the help of pencil. Like this. See guys, we have done our logo. I have filled black color in the W and I have filled red color in the curved line. I hope you will also do like this. So please like my video, subscribe to my channel, share to my video. Bye and take care.